Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuse in your BMW 3 Series. First, let's locate the fuse boxes. Your BMW 3 Series typically has several. You'll often find one in the glove compartment, another in the engine bay, and sometimes a third in the trunk or under the rear seat. Always consult your owner's manual for precise locations and diagrams specific to your vehicle model. Once you've found the fuse box, the next step is to identify the blown fuse. Your owner's manual contains a detailed diagram showing which fuse controls which component. Visually inspect each fuse. A blown one will have a broken wire inside. For easier removal, use the fuse puller typically found in your vehicle's toolkit. A fuse tester can also quickly confirm if a fuse is good or bad. Now, let's replace that blown fuse. It's crucial to use a new fuse with the exact same amperage rating as the old one. You'll find this number printed on the fuse itself. Using a fuse with a different amperage can lead to electrical issues or even damage. Carefully insert the new fuse into the empty slot, ensuring it's seated firmly. Then, test the component that wasn't working to confirm the fix. Before you begin any fuse work, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. For an extra layer of safety, you might consider disconnecting the negative terminal of your car battery. Never use metal tools to pry out fuses, as this could cause a short circuit. If a newly installed fuse blows immediately, it indicates a deeper electrical problem, and it's best to seek professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.